Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you on how to name an old accounts. This is 100% legit with proof. Here's a tutorial, so let's start. Open your Facebook first and follow my steps. This is my old account, guys. I'm gonna show you later that this is an old account. Go to settings and find access your information. Click and find personal information. As you can see, guys, my account was created on May 19, 2021. Today is June 28, 2022. Now you need to download Touch VPN. I already have this app. After downloading, just open it. Then click Best Choices and find Japan and connect. After that, go back to your Facebook Lite app and go to settings again. Click personal information and click name. You need to copy the text in the pinned comment and paste it. How to copy? Just click the share signal and copy the link of this video, and then search your Chrome and copy the text in the comment section. Note your name must be your last name. Choose the first one and type your password. Okay, let's see. After that, go to settings again and click personal account information and click name, then click change order of name. Choose the second one and type your password again. Let's check in Facebook app. This is what you can see in Facebook app. Okay, let's check on Facebook Lite. Ta-da! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.